Hey there! Welcome to this complete guide on GroPulse Popup Campaigns. In the next few minutes, you'll learn everything you need to create high-converting pop-ups that grow your email list and drive sales. We'll cover choosing the right pop-up template for your goal, setting up smart triggers that don't annoy visitors, building custom forms that convert, integrating with Klaviyo and MailChimp, targeting the right visitors at the right time, A/B testing to optimize performance, and tracking revenue from your pop-ups. Let's turn those visitors into subscribers and customers. First, let's navigate to Popup Campaigns in your GroPulse dashboard. Click on Popup Campaigns in the left sidebar. This is your campaign list. You'll see all your pop-ups here with their status, impressions, and conversion rates. Let's create your first campaign. Click Create New Campaign and give it a name. I'll call this one Welcome Discount Pop-Up. This name is just for your reference. Visitors won't see it. Now you're in the template gallery. We have 21 professionally designed templates organized by category. You've got templates for email capture, discount offers, exit intent recovery, welcome pop-ups, lead magnets, and even surveys and feedback collection. Some templates show growth or pro badges. These are available on paid plans, but our free templates are powerful enough to get started. Let's select the discount offer template. Click on it and watch the preview update instantly. Before we dive into content, let's set up the basics. Click on the Basic Settings tab. The first thing you'll choose is your pop-up type. This controls how your pop-up appears on the page. Center modal is the default. It's the classic pop-up that appears in the middle of the screen. This works great for most campaigns like email signups and discount offers. On growth plans and above, you unlock additional pop-up types, sidebar panels, full-screen takeovers, and corner pop-ups. These give you more flexibility in how you engage visitors. Now, let's customize your pop-up content. Click on the Content Settings tab. Start with your headline. This is the first thing visitors see, so make it compelling. I'll change this to Unlock 15% off your first order. You can customize the heading font size, color, and alignment to match your brand. Center alignment works great for most pop-ups. Next, your message. Keep it short and focus on the benefit. Something like, join our VIP list and get instant access to your discount code. Just like the heading, you can adjust the message font size, color, and alignment. Customize your button colors here. Choose a background color that pops and a text color that's easy to read. Pro tip, use a contrasting color so your button stands out. This is where you collect visitor information. The form builder lets you create exactly what you need. By default, you have an email field. This is the most important one, and for many pop-ups, it's all you need. Want more information? Click Add Field and choose from 4 field types: email, name, phone, and text. I'll add a name field. You can set the label, placeholder text, and whether it's required or optional. Each field has validation built in. Customize your error messages for required fields, invalid emails, and phone numbers. Clear, friendly messages improve the user experience. Customize your submit button text. Use action words like get my discount or join now instead of boring submit. You can also set the text that shows while the form is submitting. Now for what happens after submission. Customize your success message. Make visitors feel good about signing up. Style it with custom background and text colors to match your brand. Add a form note below the submit button. Perfect for privacy policy disclaimers or terms of service. Adjust the font size, color, and alignment to fit your design. Now let's style your pop-up to match your brand. Click on the Design Settings tab. Start with your pop-up dimensions. Set the width. 550 pixels works great for most pop-ups. Adjust the border radius to control how rounded the corners are, and set your padding for the inner spacing. Choose your background color. Click the color picker and select your brand color, or enter a specific hex code for precision. The overlay is the dark background behind your pop-up. Use this slider to adjust the opacity. I recommend 50 to 70%, so visitors can still see your store but focus on the pop-up. Enable Close on Overlay Click if you want visitors to dismiss the pop-up by clicking outside of it. This creates a smoother user experience. Now, let's customize the Close button. You can show or hide it, position it in the top right or top left corner, and choose between an X icon or custom text. Adjust the button color, background, and size to match your design. You can even add a delay before the Close button appears. Useful if you want visitors to read your message first. Enable Escape key to let visitors close the pop-up by pressing Escape on their keyboard. It's a nice accessibility touch. Use the preview to see your changes in real time. Toggle between desktop and mobile views, and test your entry and exit animations to see exactly how your pop-up will appear. Triggers are what make GroPulse Popup smart. Instead of annoying visitors immediately, you show pop-ups at the perfect moment. Click on the Trigger Settings tab. We have 4 trigger types. Let me walk you through each one. Time delay shows your pop-up after a set number of seconds. 5 to 10 seconds works well for welcome pop-ups, long enough that visitors aren't immediately bombarded. Scroll depth triggers when visitors scroll a percentage of the page. 50% scroll means they're engaged with your content. A great time to ask for their email. Exit intent detects when someone's about to leave. Their mouse moves toward the browser's close button. This is your last chance to capture them. Perfect for discount offers and cart recovery. Inactivity detects idle visitors. If someone stops interacting for 30 seconds, maybe they need a nudge to take action. You can combine multiple triggers. For example, enable both time delay and exit intent to catch visitors at different moments. Targeting ensures you show the right pop-up to the right visitor. Click on Targeting Settings from the More Views menu. Page targeting controls where your pop-up appears. Choose All Pages to show everywhere. Specific pages to target certain pages only, or all pages except to exclude pages like checkout. For a welcome discount, I'll target specific pages, the homepage and product pages where first-time visitors typically land. Device targeting lets you control which devices see your pop-up. Check or uncheck desktop, mobile, and tablet to fine-tune your audience. On growth plans and above, you get geo-targeting. Show different offers by country, maybe a free shipping pop-up for domestic customers, and international shipping info for others. Enable customer segmentation to target specific visitor types, like guest visitors or logged-in users. Show a welcome discount pop-up to guest visitors, or exclusive offers to logged-in members. Pro users get cart value targeting. Show special offer pop-ups only when a customer has a certain amount in their cart. Perfect for upsell opportunities. Now let's connect your email marketing platform. This is where the real magic happens. Click on Integration Settings from the More Views menu. First, enable integrations by checking this box. This allows your pop-up to send subscriber data to external services. GroPulse integrates with Shopify's native customer list, Klaviyo, and MailChimp. Choose your platform from the dropdown. For Klaviyo, you'll need your API key and list ID. Find your API key in Klaviyo's settings section, and your list ID in your list settings. Paste your API key here. You can click Show to verify it's correct. Then enter your list ID. Now, every pop-up submission automatically adds subscribers to your Klaviyo list. MailChimp works similarly. Enter your API key, found in Profile, Extras, then API keys, and your audience ID from your audience settings. Once connected, your pop-up submissions flow directly into your email marketing platform, ready for your welcome sequences and campaigns. Not sure which headline converts better? A/B testing removes the guesswork. Pro users can access this from the More Views menu. Enable A/B testing, and your original pop-up becomes the control. That's variant A. Click Create Variant B to set up your test. Let's test a different headline. The control says, get 15% off your first order. For variant B, I'll try, your exclusive discount awaits. GroPulse automatically splits your traffic 50-50. Each visitor is randomly assigned to either the control or variant B, and they'll always see the same variant on return visits. After running your test for a week or so, check your analytics. You'll see views, submissions, and submission rates for each variant separately. Keep the winner and test again to keep improving. When you're happy with your pop-up, click Save in the top right corner to save your changes. After saving, you'll see the Popup campaign activation status showing deactivated. Click the Activate button to enable your pop-up on your store. This opens the Shopify theme customizer. In the App Embed section, find Popup Campaigns and toggle it on to enable the pop-up on your store. Don't forget to click Save in the theme customizer to apply the changes. Now visit your store, trigger the pop-up, and there it is, capturing emails and growing your list. Let's talk about tracking your results. From your campaign list, click the Analytics button next to any campaign to see its performance. This is your campaign analytics dashboard. You can filter by date range, last 7, 30, 60, or 90 days. At a glance, you see 4 key metrics. Views shows how many times your pop-up was displayed. Submissions shows how many visitors filled out your form with the submission rate percentage. Conversions tracks how many subscribers made a purchase. And revenue shows the total sales attributed to this pop-up campaign. The conversion funnel visualizes your visitor journey, from views to submissions to conversions. Performance by page type shows which pages generate the most pop-up views, helpful for optimizing your targeting. Finally, view all your submissions with details like email, country, and device. Click Export CSV to download your subscriber data anytime. And just like that, you're ready to start scaling. You're now ready to build high-converting pop-up campaigns that actually deliver results. Remember the winning formula. Start with a great template. Use smart triggers to respect your visitors' time. Keep your forms simple, and always let the data guide you through analytics. Ready to turn your traffic into a loyal community? Install SalesPulse today for free and start capturing more emails while driving more sales. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to GroPulse on YouTube.